We have always dreamed of a world of wearable technology, from the early concepts of Dick Tracy and Star Trek to the rapidly emerging consumer market of today, and now an avalanche of wearable devices is headed our way, from glasses that will augment reality, to jewelry that monitors our health and psychological states, to shoes that will direct us to our destinations. Adorned with a wealth of interactive devices, our bodies may become the ultimate interface.
Welcome to the preview of our South by Southwest TDU session. We've been grappling with the possibilities of wearable tech, using Google Glass and the Narrative Clip live logging camera in higher education, and examining the impact of these devices on social dynamics both within and outside of the learning environment. Wearables will provide continuous access to artificial intelligence and connect us to the Internet of Things.
Every advance in technology has disrupted traditional educational practices and challenged our institutions while simultaneously providing new opportunities to transform learning. And yes, there's a great deal of hype and false promise here. More than a few of these devices will be tossed in our closets and landfills. But whatever the bumps in the road, consumers and students will gravitate toward the convenience, the personalization, and the way wearables transform our access to information, our interaction with the world, and perhaps most importantly, our relationships with each other.
With wearable tech, we will confront possibilities and challenges in the learning environment that will seem straight out of science fiction. We can be bystanders and watch the world change around us, or we can begin a dialogue now on the questions we see headed our way. What would a learning experience look like in a world of wearable technology?
Do our classrooms become public forums that anyone might have access to, or do we ask students to check their wearables at the door? Lecture capture, learning management systems? Are you kidding? When everyone is wearing recording devices and has their own personal learning environments through their glasses? Think students are easily distracted now? How are you going to engage and assess your students when they've instant access to an array of virtual assistants?
How do we handle the volume of data generated by personal devices? And who makes decisions about access to our students' cognitive activity and their emotional states? Sure, we're getting a little ahead of ourselves. Not all of this is going to happen tomorrow, but in the blink of an eye, wearables will become part of our daily experience. We will learn, love, and express ourselves with them in new and imaginative ways. Come join us in the conversation, for we need every bit of insights, intelligence, and yes, common sense as we enter this new world. Let's create the future where wearable tech powers learning. What is your wearable idea?